Hello and welcome to day 9 of our 30 days SQL challenge. And today we are looking at distinct. And distinct is actually a powerful keyword in SQL. And what do you actually use distinct for? Maybe you want to filter out duplicate records in your data. And then maybe you have in your record number of countries and you have each country appearing more than once, but you want to know the exact number of the country. You can filter that out with distinct. So in case in your data you have 2 America, 2 Chinese, 2 Nigeria, that's duplicate. But in order to know the exact amount of countries in your data without actually each of the country coming out twice in your result set, that is where duplicate comes in. So maybe you are working with a large database and you need to identify unique values from a column. So it could be maybe you want to list out the unique customer IDs. You want to check the distinct product names. This is what actually distinct help you to do. So let's look at our world database. And in this world database, we want to retrieve the unique countries. Let's say you have a list of all the unique continents where the countries are located. So we want to see how we can be able to retrieve only unique countries. So let's look at our world database and understand further. Let's say we are using our world database. And then to select continent, select continent from country. So we actually have our country table here, you could see. And then inside the columns we have continent. So let's say we want to select continent from our country table. Let's run this query and see. If you notice, we have 239 rows, and these are all our continents. If you notice, you see Africa already appearing twice, Oceania appearing 3 times, but I want to return only distinct continent from the country table. So I apply my keyword distinct. This is where the distinct comes in. So instead of select continent from country, I'm going to select distinct continent from country. I'll highlight and select. And how many? We have 7 rows. The first was 239 rows, and now it's actually 7 rows. So you could see the power of distinct here. You could also even use the distinct for multiple columns. You could select distinct name and then continent. It doesn't have to be only one column. Distinct actually even works with multiple columns where necessary. So I want to select distinct name and continent from country. You could see I could also do that. Instead of one column continent, I now have 2. So if you are looking for distinct name and continent, you could also do the same thing, 239 rows. So it actually works with also multiple columns also. So you could see how powerful distinct is. So if you notice in the name, no name actually appear twice. Each country belongs to a particular continent. Only continents are actually appearing twice, and that's why we saw that in select distinct continent and we saw 7 rows. So you could also do that when you have multiple columns also. And that is it for our today's lesson, our day 9 on distinct keyword. So you could see that distinct is useful for filtering out duplicates and helping you work with clean, unique data. So whether you're working with simple list or more complex queries, distinct can be a game changer in your SQL toolkit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more daily content, and drop a comment below with any questions or suggestions. And don't forget to join us tomorrow for our day 10 of our SQL challenge, where we are going to look at another key concept. Thank you very much.